So this is Jenny. She's our front desk coordinator here in Severna Park. And just like many of you, she's stuck in front of a computer all day. And so today she was telling me a little bit that her shoulder was bothering her and that it might be posture related. So we'll show you what you can do with a good, nice length of theraband. This one's about fingertips to shoulder. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to start at the front of her shoulder, loop it through, and I'm going to make a figure 8 on her back. We'll have her stand up and demo it in just a second. But we're going to finish up here, and we're going to tie a little knot. So what this does, it just gives Jenny that little reminder to pull her shoulder blades down and back rather than be slouched forward. So it's helping her to come back here a little more rather than be all rounded in. We'll have Jenny stand up so you can see the lovely figure 8 on her back. Model, 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 Vanna White, right? So this is just a quick little thing you can do for yourself at home. You really only need to wear it for an hour or two a day while you're working, while you're doing things. If you're watching TV, you're relaxing at home, you don't need this. Quick tip.